Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Subaru WRX hood using an easy method. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the kick panel. Give it a firm pull towards you. You'll hear a click and see the hood pop up slightly. This indicates the primary latch has disengaged and you're ready for the next step. Now move to the front of your WRX. The hood is still held by a secondary safety latch. Gently lift the hood a few inches and reach underneath the front edge, usually around the center or slightly to the left. You're looking for a small lever or tab. This can sometimes be a bit tricky to find by feel, but it's there. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful car tips. Quick recommendation. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh, even when you're working on your car. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've located that secondary latch, either push it up or pull it to the side, depending on your specific WRX model. As you do this, lift the hood completely open. Be sure to use the prop rod, if your vehicle is equipped with one, to securely hold the hood in the open position. This ensures safety while you work under the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.